This is a magical bird that can hover in midair. Even the camera captures it with a flickering illusion. This is the hummingbird. It is the only bird capable of hovering, flying backward, and performing agile maneuvers. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second, too fast for the human eye to track. Most cameras can't keep up either. That's why the footage appears to flicker. Such agile flight relies on the hummingbird's wings. They can rotate in all directions, forward, backward, up, down, left, and right. By adjusting the angle and direction of their strokes, they control airflow to generate lift in any direction. Hummingbirds accelerate by flapping both upward and downward, enabling complex maneuvers like gliding, reversing, and sideways flight.